Yeah.
Hello everyone, welcome back to this new video. So in this tutorial I am going to show you how you can change the hover effect color of font in the menu item, and also I will show you not only about the hover effect only, I will show you the, the first color, the primary color of the text of the menu item, and also the selected text color. So that there are three options or three ways to choose the color for it, and there are like a three stages, like a selected hover and the stable one. Like this is the stable one. So just click on design to change the color and click customize design. So as you can see, it's called regular, which I told you about the stable or a main. So kind of memory. And to change the text color, just click on a title and click color. So now I will show you that currently I will just select this orange color, and for hover I will set it for this blue, and as you can see it is previewing it as we change it according to our need. So for the click or the selected one, I will just click on this. So there is also option of border. So currently I will just disable it or just doing by the color of white. And so I will do the same color here. If you want, you can do it. And this is the design that I will show you in the other video someday. So here it's already set to 0. As you can see, it was 0. So we'll just preview it now. So if I hover on this, as you can see, color is blue, which we have selected. If I select this, click on the home page, or the I will just click on pop up about us. As you can see, you can't see any difference because we have added the same color here. But what if we change the third color, like which is the selected color? So again, we will go back to this and click on this color and just give it to black, or we just give it this color purple. So we'll just preview again. So as you can see, we have clicked on shop. So if you can see, the main item or the page has the same color as the selected one, also the shop which we have opened. So if you click on home, as you can see, the home page is open and the selected color or the click color is this. So I hope you understand or get what I have explained in this video. So stay tuned for more such videos. Thank you.